The Santana Church is the largest temple of the city of Zacapu. Was built on June 29, 1548 before Jacobo Daciano.
The park in the Zarcita, Zacapu, Michoacán are natural water bodies of crystalline water that is currently suffering drought and pollution. The water levels is even with meteorite system.
Zacapu Lagoon is a wetland that is located near the town of Zacapu, Michoacán State, Mexico. In 2003, it was declared a protected area, and 5 of June on 25, 40 hectares were also declared as Ramsar site in Mexico. The highest mountain in this place is the Cerro del Tecolote, whose summit reaches 3,005 meters above the sea level.
This place is an extinct volcano that inside its crater has a lake. He was given the name Alberca because inside has a natural water body, and the name Los Espinos refers to the community that lies on the slopes of the volcano.